Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Sonic Silver 2012 Mazda CX-5 Touring, stock number A7102. You have factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Yokohama Geolander tire. And inside there is a power sunroof. You have a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger CX-5. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've also got a backup camera. Inside of the trunk, as you can see, is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 40-20-40 split, and you do have an all-weather cargo mat included. The reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Stepping inside, to the left of the steering wheel, you have audio controls, and to the right, you have your cruise control buttons. There is a push button start here. Coming over to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities here for navigation. Coming down underneath of that, you'll see your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 30 miles per gallon. Coming down underneath of that, you have some additional audio and navigation controls. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.